In this video, you will learn how a journal volume and issue schedule works. Journals are published on a regular schedule. A journal publication schedule has two main components: volume, which is related to the year of publication, and issue, which is sometimes called number. For the rest of the video, we will use the term issue. Knowing how the journal volume and issue schedule works will help you find specific journal articles and cite them properly. Think of magazines. A magazine is also published on a regular basis. Every month or a few times a year, you can look forward to a new one with the most current information. If you look carefully, you will see volume and issue numbers on magazines too. Whether a magazine or scholarly journal is accessed in print or online, it follows the same volume issue system. So let's take a closer look at the publication schedule for journals. Some are published annually or once a year, biannually or 2 times a year, triannually or 3 times a year, quarterly or 4 times a year, and so on. Let's use an example to see how this works. In 2018, a science publisher created a new triannual journal called the Journal of Bees. As a triannual journal, it is published 3 times a year, in this case January, May, and September. The entire first year, 2018, is the first volume of the Journal of Bees. Each of the 3 publications during the year is an issue of that volume. Issue 1 in January, Issue 2 in May, and Issue 3 in September. The Journal of Bees was a success, and so the publisher carried on for another year. 2019 is Volume 2, with Issues 1, 2, and 3. Here's the Journal of Bees' first 2 years of publication. You can see that the volume number grows each year, but the issue numbers within each volume remain the same. The volumes and issues of a journal follow a pattern where each year a new volume is created. The number of times in the year a journal comes out is the number of issues within that volume. Here is another example. The Journal of Poetry has been published quarterly since 1963. Each year, one volume, consisting of 4 issues, is added to the journal. You may have a citation for an article in a journal, or you are creating a citation for an article you've found. The way the volume and issue number is included in a citation depends on the citation style you're using. Here are 4 examples: APA, Chicago, IEEE, and MLA. Bonus tip. You can tell if a journal has been published a long time by the size of its volume number. Journal volumes and issues. The correct volume and issue of a journal are required to find and cite specific journal articles properly.